Namaskar, Khushro Vidya, myself JVN Dr. Pramila Kajla, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathic Science from Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today, our topic is neurotransmitter. Neurotransmitter is a chemical substance that acts as a mediator for the transmission of nerve impulse from one neuron to another neuron through a synapse. Nowadays, many substances are categorized as neurotransmitter. To consider a substance as a neurotransmitter, it should fulfill certain criteria as given below. It must be found in a neuron. It must be produced by a neuron. It must be released by a neuron. After release, it must act on a target area and produce some biological effect. After the action, it must be inactivated. Amino acid. Now we will see one by one group of neurons. First one is amino acid neurotransmitters. First one is GABA, cerebral cortex. It is produced in cerebral cortex, cerebellum, basal ganglia, retina, and spinal cord. It is inhibitory in nature. Second one is glycine, released from forebrain, brainstem, spinal cord, retina, and inhibitory in nature. Glutamate released from cerebral cortex, brainstem, cerebellum, and is excitatory in nature. Aspartate released from cerebellum, spinal cord, retina, and excitatory action. And now second group is amines that include noradrenaline and adrenaline. Noradrenaline released from postganglionic adrenergic sympathetic nerve endings, cerebral cortex, hypothalamus, basal ganglia, brainstem, locus coeruleus, and spinal cord. It is excitatory and inhibitory of both types. In adrenaline, hypothalamus, thalamus, and spinal cord, it is also excitatory and inhibitory both in nature. Dopamine, released from basal ganglia, hypothalamus, limbic system, neocortex, retina, sympathetic ganglion, it is inhibitory in nature. Serotonin, hypothalamus, limbic system, cerebellum, spinal cord, retina, gastrointestinal GI tract, lungs, and platelets, it is inhibitory in nature. Histamine, released from hypothalamus, cerebral cortex, GI tract, and mast cell, it is excitatory in nature. Nitric oxide, many parts of CNS, neurotransmitter junction, and GI tract. This is excitatory in nature. Acetylcholine, preganglionic parasympathetic nerve endings released from postganglionic parasympathetic nerve endings, preganglionic sympathetic nerve endings, postganglionic sympathetic cholinergic nerve endings, neuromuscular junction, cerebral cortex, hypothalamus, basal ganglia, thalamus, hippocampus, and amacrine cells of retina. It is excitatory in nature. Excitatory neurotransmitters, that is acetylcholine, nitric oxide, histamine, glutamate, and aspartate. Inhibitory neurotransmitters examples are gamma aminobutyric acid, that is also called GABA, glycine, dopamine, and serotonin. Neurotransmitter with excitatory and inhibitory actions, both noradrenaline and adrenaline. Neuromodulators. Neuromodulator is the chemical messenger which modify and regulate activity that take place during the synaptic transmission. These peptides don't propagate nerve impulse like neurotransmitter. Neuromodulator are classified into two types. First one is non-opioid peptides and opioid peptides. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.